Logan. You got the GoPro already? And we're gonna run straight for the flag.
Who's the fastest?
Probably me. But not with all this stuff on.
You should run straight for the flag.
That's what I'm gonna do. This is all I can do with this thing.
You run straight for the flag and we'll cover you.
Alright.
I've seen that before.
I don't know what the hell it is. Springer? It's water, don't worry. Yeah, this is a spring gun. Oh, okay.
It's just water and spring gun.
Just water and a spring gun.
This is a Springer, yeah.
Dude, spring guns are OP.
No Polar Stars here.
Dude, Polar Star was shot at TMA 7. I guess you can HPA count.
Yeah. We're still good. We're still going. There's a little red light flashing. A little red light flashing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really? Is
I
that
like
the name you guys are taking?
Yeah.
Did everybody get a patch?
Yep.
Yep.
I don't have Velcro or any room, so.
Well, I got an industrial sewing machine, so.
Yeah, I don't wanna sew it on here because I'm getting a new shirt for Christmas. I'm gonna sew it on that one.
Anything you need sewn, give it to him and I'll do it.
Alright.
Just whatever you want, just pin it in place.
You know, I'm gonna run all the way around. I'm running this way. Just take out everyone on the side. Hey, that's jacked up. Yeah, Logan. Yeah. That spring gun though. No, my gun isn't shooting, but yeah, there is someone there. There we go. We are no bands. I have no range with this thing. Where are they at? Hey, they're at the flag. They're at the flag. I know, but they're right there, in that building. Moving in front of you guys. They are? Nope.
Are you sure? They would be shooting, right?
He's not out.
They're not out.
Alright. Do we have it?
I just want to run for it. You want to cover me?
Give me a sec, I'll run with you. Hey, coming out! Scam. Nate, I like this gun. It shoots pretty far for a Springer. I almost hit you.
Oh, is that you?
Yeah? Nice M9, is that KGW? Mine's KWA too, but I can't find many people who have it.
That's not the most common.
No, usually they get like ATPs.
Like the 1911s.
Yeah, 1911 or ATP, I've seen a lot of.
Wait, no, I'm not holding it. You hold it. I think the M9's kind of the best though, because it's all metal.
Yeah, I like it. Canted?
I think it's like 32 rounds.
Oh, the extended mag?
Yeah.
No.
Me neither, but I'm thinking of getting one.
So am I.
It looks pretty awesome.
My friend got a 50 round one for his ATP. It was like, I was like, oh crap.
We're gonna run for it.
We all run, right?
What?
He shot the guy that was in front of me. So as he's getting
You know the
shot,
secret?
I crouched behind him and I shot him.
What pistol is that?
It's a CZ.
I'm gonna try my.
Did you load it? Full CO2?
Alright.
Hey, just put it in your kangaroo pouch.
No, trust me, it's really hard to open.
Are you guys going for the flag?
I am.
You want to set 2 runners up, bring it back here, and then we'll all just mass up and run right? I don't think we should be back there. I think we should just we need everyone then. No, seriously, like I went by myself. I got that up so hard. We need a couple of guys on that side watching.
I need you to run for it.
Alright. I can get it if you guys want.
They're
I can get the flag.
Specifically.
Yeah. You guys ready?
Yeah. That's mine. I'm just using my pistol right now. I'm gonna run and
Let's come right up to this bus that's right in front of me.
Guys on the right.
running gun. I see him. Oh, crap. Where they at? Oh, far back corner.